welcome back to the series of tutorial videos for our control system. In this video we're going to be covering the testing tool. We can go to a button with an action. Say for example, I think the light here have buttons with action, so if you go to here you will find the command is included here. And to execute the testing you need to go to the testing tool here on the right hand side and click. As soon as you do so, you can see in the page it will automatically detect the controller that is available, and then you can do the testing immediately. As soon as you press on the test, you can see here it starts the test, and what happens after, it will give you a return message on how did the test go. So this is one indication. The other indication is you monitor the device itself to see whether the command is executed and you're getting the result that you want. Now one quick reminder that we have this testing tool. This testing tool is mainly to execute the command and test it. When we have also the simulator tool, but if you remember, we did mention in the simulator video that the simulator will not execute the command. In fact, it will just give you an outlook on how the viewer look like and how the buttons react to each other. Now again, to test the actual command, you will need to use this exact testing tool. Another thing to highlight, in some cases, like we have buttons in different modes, if you remember, like we have toggle, press and release, and long press, and so on. Now for this testing tool, it's gonna be really hard to emulate this kind of actions like press and release or like long press. So for example, we have the camera here, and the buttons here are on press and release. And in this case, if you want to test this button with the press and release functionality, our recommendation will be to go to the upload page, find the controller, upload the project to the controller, and then after you upload the project to the controller, you can download the project on the app, which is available for iOS, Android, and Windows. And then once you download it, you can actually test it on your control tablet with the full functionality of the press and release function, or the long press, or the toggle button. This was the video covering the testing tool as well as uploading the project to your controller. Thank you very much.